This 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Jeep is powered by YY four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, regular unleaded V6 3.6 L220 engine, and has 3 miles. Explore new adventures with our 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Reliable, rugged, and ready to go. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.